The gradient graph, just copy the vertical asymptote. Very easy one. You just copy. Then after that, you know that this is x equals to 3, right? Then this one, y equals to 2. When you differentiate it, it will be y equals to 0. So you know that y equals to 0 will be your what do you call it? The x-axis will just be your horizontal asymptote. Okay, so now oh, this is this guy here, intercept. Okay, now I think we're good to go. Now we can label. Okay, so this guy here is a positive gradient shooting upward. So between 1 and 3, make sure the box is between is a positive region. Make sure. Then for this is a negative gradient, easy game. This one here to here, easy game. This one here to here, also make sure it's this one. Okay, so whatever you do, draw within these boxes. Damn good one. Okay, now I will explain the easier part first. I think the one that you struggle is this side here. I will explain later. So I will do the easier part, which is this part here first. So this guy here, this one here is m tends to negative infinity. Super steep. So steep. Steeper than the GST hike or inflation rate. Understand? So this guy is m0 negative. So guys, super steep. Go to 0. Just whack. Drop. Like that. Okay. Next part. This one I want to explain a bit. Guys. Girls. This one here is approaching 0 negative. Okay. This guy here is exactly 0. Exactly. On the dot 0. So essentially, right, approach 0, hit 0. Do you see that this thing here is a negative gradient? 0, negative. So 0. Look at me. 0, negative, go to 0 again. Okay? So essentially it's 0, negative, 0 again. And at some point it will become steeper. The steepest point is, this is the steepest point, right? Then it increase to 0 again. So this is like, okay, you can put this as m double arrow, double lesser than 0, meaning they are the steepest. Then this is like 0 lah. So then after that, this point here will be like m less than 0. So there is a steepest point. In fact, this will correspond to the steepest point. Let me just draw this aside. It will be like that. You just, it's from 0, it hit back to 0, then it goes to positive infinity here. Hear me out. So 0, go 0, go infinity. Here be 0. Here. Okay. Conceptually, you may want to add this. This guy correspond to the steepest point. Steepest meaning steepest really. This point here corresponds to the steepest point. Let's say the steepest point here is 0.5. Then this will correspond to 0.5. Understand? That's about it. But of course, we wouldn't know lah. From the graph, we know the steepest point is, strictly speaking, from the graph, we know the steepest point is between 0 and 2, or 0 and 1. But if you draw, if your teacher want to nitpick, if your minimum point is on the left side, they may minus mark depending on how strict your teacher will want to be lah. Okay, so this will correspond to the steepest point. That's why there's a dip there, because it's from 0. It increase to some negative value, decrease to some negative value, then increase back again to 0, exactly 0.